Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Monica. If you're new to my channel, I'm currently doing a series on YouTube on Invisalign because your girl's got Invisalign, obviously. And today's a super fun video because I went to my Instagram page and I asked you guys, whoever follows me, to ask me questions about Invisalign, and I told you I had to answer everything, and I'm going to answer everything, and the juiciest question I'm going to save for last. Okay. Okay, so let's just get into it. The first question, which I think is pretty juicy, is how much did it cost? I think this is going to totally depend on your orthodontist, your location, your teeth, how long you need to have it, and also what kind of Invisalign. So my orthodontist offered me two different kinds. He offered me the kind where you have your trays go all the way to the back, and he also offered me Invisalign where it's like half, which I thought was kind of weird. Like, if you're going to fix your teeth, I think you should fix everything, or might as well, versus just like correcting like your prettiness, I guess. But you do you know? I decided to do the whole thing because why not? And I don't think it was maybe like an $800 difference, so that's pretty significant. So yeah, mine, keep in mind I had pretty good teeth beforehand. There was just like some crookedness down here, and then like minor, like I had braces before, and my bite alignment needed some work. Mine was, drum roll, $3,000. I know, that's a lot of money, but yeah. And then the second part to this was it worth it? I think I honestly need to answer that question after I'm done with Invisalign versus right here, right now. But if I'm just being completely honest, my feelings have definitely changed from the very beginning to up to this point. In the very beginning, I was really not okay. Like, it sucked. The pain was the worst. So painful. It was so bulky. I was lisping like crazy. I felt like my teeth just like looked ugly, because they honestly did, and it just felt so big in my mouth, and I felt embarrassed, and I couldn't eat like I normally want. It was like the worst thing in the whole world for like a solid week, and then got way better, like way better. And now they just kind of, it feels like so normal to me. I'm probably still talking with a lisp, but it honestly feels just normal, and I feel confident again. So yeah, but I will answer that question when they're off, so I give you like the best honest answer. But they are fixing my crookedness. If you look back on my very first YouTube video, I don't have Invisalign then, so you can see me actually speak. Otherwise you can dig in my Instagram, and I don't have Invisalign up until this past February, so anything before then I don't have Invisalign, so you can see my teeth and see if you think they've changed at all. Yeah. Okay. Did you whiten your teeth beforehand? No, I did not, and I also cannot whiten my teeth with Invisalign. At least I wouldn't think that you should because you have attachments all over your teeth. Like, I feel like I have, I'll count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the bottom. Ew. So yeah, all those little attachments, like, you're not going to be able to whiten what's underneath there, and I don't know, it's like kind of whitening your teeth when you have braces. Like, you just don't. And I didn't beforehand, and after I get these off, I will see how white they are, and if I need to whiten them, then that's what we'll do. But I will say Invisalign did make my teeth less white. 100%. For sure. Made my teeth less white. I think it's because they're like, first of all, they're never going to look beautiful when you have Invisalign. They just aren't. But I don't know, maybe like spit being on them for longer, maybe them being in a hub of captivity, I don't know, makes them less white. I don't know, but it did. So I would say just like braces it might be a good thing to whiten them after. So I'll let you guys know if I do. What's the main problem with your teeth? Why I wanted to get them was honestly for one tooth, and it is this one, I think. And yeah, I just wanted to get it because it was being pushed back, and I just didn't like it when I spoke. Like, I would always see it in videos, and I just hated it. So there's that. However, my orthodontist kind of convinced me to go with Invisalign after a while because, well, I mean after talking to him, because my bite was off. Like, I was using my bottom teeth were pushing against the back of my top teeth and causing these to wear down and also these to wear down and like pushing them out. Like my top teeth, like instead of like stick straight, they were like pushing out because of my bottom teeth pushing on them. So that was honestly what really made me get them, because I didn't even realize that. And then it could have been my orthodontist, you know, bamboozling me. But you know what? I'm happy with the way that they are being corrected. So yeah. Here's the tea though, okay? Sip sip. Here's the tea. I do wish that I waited until I was like older, because I'm pretty young and like my teeth have a long life ahead of them, and I feel like, you know, they're going to just get crooked again sometime in my life, and maybe I should have waited. That's the tea, honestly. Okay. Next question. Okay, I got 3 people who said, can you do a close-up of your teeth without. Okay, my camera died, we're back. But I got 3 people who said, can you do a close-up of your teeth without Invisalign, like without the trays in? And yeah, so I'm just going to take them out on camera because I think, I don't know, I always think me showing you this is a reality. So so gross. I hate this. Yeah, if you're like on a date, highly recommend never doing that. Okay, so here, I'll show you where the attachments are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. This tooth is weird. Like, it's so round. It also has an attachment on it, so I don't know. Oh, we'll see how it looks. Yeah. And then one of these needs to be filed down because my bottom teeth cracked into it. And this one. Yeah. Okay. Is that good? Is that good enough? I hope so. I'm going to put them back in. Yes. It's so much easier to put them back in. Ow. As I say that, then like one catches my lip. Oh. Okay. Cute! Your daily teeth cleaning routine with Invisalign. Daily teeth cleaning. Okay. I'll take you through the morning. I take my tray out, I brush my teeth, then I eat, then I go back and I brush my teeth, I brush my tray with toothpaste, just like it's like you're cleaning, you're brushing, I don't know, your denture, I don't know. But I brush my tray, put it back in, and then throughout the day, every single time that I eat or drink something that is not water, I will take them out, put them in the case. I carry around a toothpaste. I carry around a toothbrush and toothpaste everywhere I go, and I will follow that same routine. So after I eat something, I will brush my teeth, and then I will brush the tray, and then I will put them back in my mouth. And then at night time, even if I hadn't eaten something, I will take them out, I will brush my teeth, I will floss my teeth, which is another question. Do you floss? Yes. The attachments don't get in the way of flossing at all. So you can floss normally. And I floss, and then I brush the trays, and I put them in my mouth. So, how many times a day do I brush my teeth usually? 6 times, like, minimum.
Wow!
Yeah. Yep. Yep. I have a very clean mouth. Thank everyone. Thank Invisalign. Okay. Does it hurt? Horrifically in the beginning, at least for me. Like, literally, the worst pain probably ever. Because it gave me mouth sores, like, all over. It gave me tongue sores. It was just the most pain, and then my teeth were sore from like it actually moving, like it was just awful. And occasionally now with every single tray I do get some sores, especially down here, because this tooth is pretty out because it has 2 attachments on it, and the end of this one is always really sharp, so I'll get a sore there every now and again. My tongue does hurt sometimes still because it's touching the back of that one and the back of that one. And with teeth movement, yes, it does hurt. However, I'm going to do a video on the difference between braces and Invisalign 100% for sure because I've had both. But then saving grace of Invisalign is you can escape the pain, at least like the pressure of it, because you get to take them out and it's kind of like a breathing thing. But sometimes when you take them out, it almost hurts just as much because then your teeth are like breathing, I guess. Like it's, I don't know, it's weird. So yes is the moral of the story. Okay. Okay, I think we are ready for the final question. How did this person word it? I'm going to read it exactly. Have you made out with someone wearing it? Yes. Yep. And I would say when you're like kissing, making out, you know, keep them in is like the only thing. Like I have with them in and without them in, and just had my like, you know, attachments, and the attachments are really sharp and painful and hurt, and could maybe hurt the other person too. I haven't done that, but it could. And yeah, having them in is just a lot smoother. However, the very first time was a mess. Like I felt like I was like kissing someone for the first time. Like it was just like spitty, and my lips felt weird, and yeah. And that's not all I'm going to say about that. I mean, it gets better. Okay. Alrighty. That's all. That's all the questions I have, I think. I feel like I missed one, but if I did, I will get it back to you in the update. I'm good? I'm going to do an update soon on how my personal journey is going because it's almost time to end it. Ah! Yay! I'm going to be so stoked to get them off. Okay. Love you guys. Hope you have a great day.